Hello, it's Jack from Yiwu, China again. Today, I'm going to show you the packing and the printing machinery market here. When it comes to machinery, I feel like a little kid comes to my new toys. I'm very curious and passionate about my new toys, yet I don't know anything about them. So I will keep quiet for a few minutes for you to have a good view of what is available here. Okay, that's a very brief overview of the machinery market here for printing and packaging and also the related materials. This market also has the parts and the consumables for printing and packaging machinery. If you have interested in any of this type of machines, please leave me a message and I'm very happy to check it out for you. That's all for today. Goodbye for now.